Salvete discipuli. This video is going to be on the review grammar for for chapter 21 on page 174 of your Latin book. So if you don't have your Latin book, go ahead and get it, pause the video, and return, and then turn to page 174. Okay, here we go. Remember, you are going to have to memorize your present tense and your imperfect tense I am to be linking verbs. Okay, so remember the sum es est, sumus est sunt. Sum I am, est you are. Est he, she, it is, sumus we are. Estes you all are, sunt they are. Sunt they are. That is your present tense. Remember, present tense means it's happening right now. Let's go to the imperfect tense, which means continual action in the past. So you have your aram, aras, arat, aramus, aratus, arant, aram, aras, arat, aramus, aratus, arant, aram, I was, arash, you were, arat, he, she, it was, aramus, we were, aratus, you all were, arant, they were, arant, they were. Okay, so you have those memorized. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put those into sentences in Latin so that you can recognize them and be able to see them as linking verbs. Now, here's the fun part. Remember, when you have a linking verb, you have to have something that renames that subject noun. So you're either going to have a predicate nominative or a predicate adjective. Remember, a predicate nominative is the same thing as a predicate noun. It renames your subject. So if you have the girl is a poet, then it says girl is your subject noun, is your linking verb, and poet renames who the girl is. So that is your predicate nominative or your predicate noun. Now remember, we talked about this before. You can also have a predicate adjective. Your predicate adjective also renames that subject noun, but it's a describing word. So you have the woman is small. The woman is your subject noun. Is your linking verb because it's connecting the next part of the sentence. Small. So small renames what the woman is. So small is your predicate adjective. So now that you have that under your belt and you can remember the difference between those, I want you to do the activity on page 174. You have 6 sentences that you're going to label as subject noun, linking verb, or predicate nominative or predicate adjective. Once you have those sentences labeled, then you are going to go ahead and translate them into English. Remember, your direct object has a verb transitive. It transfers the action. Your linking verb connects, and you have a predicate adjective or a predicate nominative that renames your subject noun. Okay, go ahead and do the activity on page 174. I know you guys are going to do great. Salvete.